Institutional funds to Ethereum products flip green as ETH trades above $2,200. Disclosure: crypto is a high-risk asset class. This article is provided for informational purposes and does not constitute investment advice. By using this website, you agree to our terms and conditions. We may utilize affiliate links within our content and receive commission. The bullish drive of institutional investors in recent weeks can be seen across several market metrics as digital assets soar to levels not recorded in months. Ethereum ETH traded sideways for most of the year before soaring above $2,000 following the recent market uptick, which has sent the wider market capitalization over $1.5 trillion and ignited bullish sentiments. At press time, institutional investors' funds in Ethereum products stand at $10 million year-to-date YTD, turning the tide after several weeks in the woods, while its assets under management AUM is over $8.8 billion. Digital asset funds record $1.76 billion inflows in 10 weeks, highest since 2021. Report digital asset investment products recorded $176 million in inflows last week, extending the positive run to 10 consecutive weeks. Crypto news /t co/FC1966. Crypto news, Crypto news December 4, 2023. The coinshares weekly assets flows recorded outflows from the altcoin giant for several weeks despite positives recorded on the main network in terms of developments. Most analysts viewed the poor run of Ethereum as the massive slide recorded last year following wider economic factors and industry collapses. ETH plunged over 55% in 2022 alongside Bitcoin BTC as Federal Reserve policies, inflation factors, and the collapse of the Terra network and FTX sent prices tumbling. This year marked a renewed surge of institutional investors in the market, but the majority of the growth was seen around Bitcoin as anticipation for a spot ETF grew following the application of BlackRock and other institutional giants with strong optimism that the Securities and Exchange Commission (SEC) will approve a filing. As a result, while Bitcoin products recorded inflows for weeks which now stand at over $1.6 billion YTD, Ethereum products have struggled with several weeks of outflows leading to net inflows of $10 million YTD. Ethereum leads altcoin gains. Several analysts opined an uptick in the performance of ETH at the start of the year as a result of the network's merge, which saw its transition of proof-of-stake consensus mechanism. A recent survey showed that most wealth managers back the asset as the crypto with the highest growth potential. Global wealth fund managers have backed $ETH as the asset with the highest growth projection despite a slow price increase in recent months. A new survey shows. Crypto news. Ethereum /t co/x4cveft_s4r. Crypto news, Crypto news November 1, 2023. Last week, Ethereum saw inflows of $31 million, extending the recent run of consecutive inflows to 5 weeks totaling $134 million, outshining Solana SOL, which was described as an altcoin favorite after weeks on consecutive inflows. While ETF demand fueled the run of Bitcoin, the launch of several future Ethereum failed to drive the growth as predicted along many circles. At press time, ETH trades above $2,200 with bulls locking sights on another run to end the year. Bitcoin has continued to drive the market this year with surging investment fund figures with anticipation of an ETF approval and a bull run. Last week, institutional investors poured in $132 million, igniting a positive momentum pushing DeFi figures above $46 billion and altcoins to yearly highs. Enter your email for our free daily newsletter, a quick 3-minute read about today's crypto news. Sign up in SRC equals https://simg co/p/ml300 jpeg alt equals image class equals img id equals newsletter pop-up img.